Hey, fantastic folks! Welcome back to my Product Hunt Showcase. I'm Fight, and today we are jumping into something seriously slick. It's called Feather. And believe me, it's like adding a turbo boost to your blogs. Imagine this. You are crafting your content on Notion, and voila! Feather swoops in to sprinkle its magic, making your words dance on an SEO-friendly blog. No coding required. It's like the wizard of content creation. Now, let's dive into the goodies. Feather's rolling out the red carpet with a free trial, allowing you to pick a plan that fits like your favorite comfy sweater. Custom domains, swanky themes, analytics. It's the VIP treatment for bloggers who crave style without the hassle. Feather made its grand entrance on Product Hunt today, and let me tell you, the buzz was electric. 742 upvotes, 273 comments. The community couldn't get enough. Users are throwing virtual confetti at Feather for its breezy usability, killer features, and a design sleeker than a stealth fighter. Some even tossed in suggestions, more integrations, theme options that pop, and guides that read like an adventure novel. Feather's got its cool perks, easy peasy, SEO-friendly blogs, and it's rocking a bestie status with Notion. But, keeping it real, some users crave more integrations, theme customization that's next level, guides that rival treasure maps, and they've got their eagle eyes on potential bugs. Now, here's the fun part, the mic is yours. What's your Feather story? Tried it? Loving it? Got a wish list of features? Pour your thoughts in the comments. This is your moment to shine. That's a wrap from my Product Hunt Showcase today. Until next time, keep surfing the digital wave with those awesome tools. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Stay fabulous, stay savvy. Catch you on the flip side.